Maytag Commercial Laundry Multiload Washer for Vended laundry businesses. The needs of each vended laundry facility vary from location to location. At Maytag, we understand that there is not a singular solution for them all. The heart behind the Maytag Multiload washers is to put the control in your hands, allowing you the ability to customize the right solution for your vended facility. This is just a brief overview on some of the many features our multi-load washers have to offer. Service and maintenance-friendly features providing easy access to notifications, diagnostics, and the vast majority of serviceable operations. Dispensing technology designed to give you more control over the outcome of your wash. A unique door lock featuring a self-adjusting pin to ensure proper alignment and a complete seal. Revenue-generating options and customizable controls. And a rigid and soft mount option for all sizes. Make sure to watch our feature-specific videos for a more in-depth overview. And for more information on how to set up even more features, go to maytagcommerciallaundry.com and download our programming guide. Maytag multi-load washers with options like these at your fingertips. You can manage laundry to the specific needs of your users, all while increasing revenue with revenue-generating options. Maytag Commercial Laundry Multi-Load Washers. Dependable, customizable, and built for you.